Okay children, so we completed exercise 4.6 and we completed chapter 4. Now we had studied quadrilaterals, we studied polygons, yes, and we studied circle, yes. So basically if we talk about these are known as what? These are known as shapes. Okay, these are known as shapes. Also you will see that each shape is either made up of a line segment or a curve. Okay, so shapes are generally, whatever shapes we see around us, they are either made up of line segments or curve. So we are going to study these shapes. Okay, we are going to understand these shapes. What is their primary need? Okay, primary need means we are going to study elementary shapes. Means elementary shapes का मतलब इनका measurement, okay, how they are made, okay, all these things in our new chapter. So today we are going to start our next topic, that is understanding elementary shapes. Elementary means primary, you can say basic, बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी चीज़ें जो यूज़ होती हैं किसी भी शेप को बनाने के लिए. Clear? The elementary things which are used to make a shape, okay, to construct a shape. So what is a shape? A shape is usually or is made up of either a line segment or a curve. Okay, so when we talk about line segment, okay, when we talk about polygons, what comes in our mind? Line segments. Yes, yes or no? And we have already studied what is a line segment. It has two definite endpoints. This is a line segment. Okay, now measuring of line segments. How do we measure line segments? We've studied what is a line segment, but we've not studied the measurement of the line segment. This is a line segment. How do we measure? We can measure it by observing. Okay, अभी हम देख के बोल सकते हैं maybe it must be more than 30 centimeter. Okay, by observing, by using a measuring instrument, that is using a ruler, yes, or by using a rounder also. Okay, you just take your rounder and you check where are the two endpoints. Now you take this to your ruler and you see how much measurement is there in your rounder. So this is how you measure your line segment. Okay, line segment can be measured in millimeter and centimeter because our ruler has one side millimeter and one side it has centimeter, millimeter or inch. So no, it has inch. Some have millimeters also, children. Okay, so depending on the requirement of the ruler, which kind of ruler you are having. Now, how can you compare a line segment? Means ये वाली line segment, this is bigger in size or this is smaller in size, or this line segment is greater. Like for example, if I make a line segment here, so how can you find out which line segment has more measurement? How can you compare a line segment? First, you can compare a line segment by observations. That is, if you observe the two line segment, देख के पता चलता है कि this is of greater size, of greater length, you can say. Okay, so line segment AB is greater than CD, or you can say longer than CD. Okay, by observing, by seeing. Then you can use a tracing paper. Tracing paper we all know, it's a transy kind of paper. You can put it on your line segment CD and you mark the 2 points, and then you can take your tracing paper or you can trace पूरा बना लो CD and then you bring it on line segment AB. Okay, that's how you will find कौन बड़ा है. Yes, which line is longer. Got it? So this is one thing. By observing, by using tracing paper. Third, you can use a ruler. Yes, you can use the ruler and take the measurement. How? Place your ruler like this. This is your ruler. Your starting point should start from the 0. coincide with one another. Coincide with one another means एक दूसरे के ऊपर होना चाहिए, ऊपर नीचे होना चाहिए. Got it? You cannot start your measurement exactly from the beginning of the scale. यहाँ से नहीं, जहाँ से scale बना हुआ है, जहाँ से measurements बने हुए हैं, we need to start from there. Okay? Give me 1 minute. I'll make this also. It's raining. 1 minute, children. It is raining. Okay. So here, can you see how to measure a line? If you measure this line, put the ruler here. If you want to measure this line, put the ruler here. You can compare the measurements and you can see which line segment is of more length. Then this was the third. First we did by observation. Second we did by tracing paper, by the usage of tracing paper. Third we did by the ruler. The fourth is again the rounder. Again take your rounder like this. Okay. You take the end points, the needle and your pencil. Okay. Then without disturbing it, put it on your ruler and you check. Your needle of the rounder should start again from the 0 and you check where is your second hand going in the rounder. Okay, that's how you can compare again AB and CD. So these are the 4 ways how do we compare. Very important note, how to measure a line segment is the 0. I told you already. The 0 of the ruler and the starting point of your line segment should coincide. दोनों एक दूसरे के ऊपर होना चाहिए. यहाँ पर मैंने इसको थोड़ा नीचे बनाया है to show you. Okay, to show you the ruler how to place it. Okay, अभी मैं इसके ऊपर बना दूँगी तो then you won't be able to see point A. That is मैंने थोड़ा सा नीचे बनाया. Okay, but when we measure, we put exactly. That's why our rulers are transy. No, we have transparent rulers so that we can easily see the point A. Got it? Now when you are measuring, you may commit errors while you are measuring the line segment. What errors? See, if you measure your line segment and if you put your eye this side towards the right side, okay, what will happen? Exactly, you will get your measurement for right side. The measurement of AB will become 6 maybe. 6 centimeters. Okay, and if you see from the left hand side, then it will be 6.2. Okay, centimeters. Got it? And if you see from the center, exactly from the top view. Okay, if you see, then it is exactly 6.1. Okay, from the center you will see. 6.1. Got it? So you may commit mistakes while measuring. So what is the correct way to view? You view it from the center, okay, or from the top instead of going right or left. Clear? This happens here also. Same way, अगर आप इधर से टेढ़ा मेढ़ा देखोगे, so you may not get the exact measurement. Got it? You need to always see from the top. Okay, after placing your ruler you need to see like this. You cannot see like this or you cannot see like this. This is a wrong way of measuring a line segment. So two things. First, you need to see the 0, which the 0 of the scale, or you can see the starting point. The first line of the ruler should be exactly on the starting point of the line segment. Secondly, when you are measuring the view which you are seeing, it shouldn't be right left, but it should be exactly on the point, the second point of the line segment. These are the two important things while measuring a line segment. Clear? Not only line segment, anything whichever you are measuring. So this completes the introduction point. In introduction part, positioning error we have already done. Okay. Then 0 mark of the ruler also we have done. Then there is try these, children. Try these of page 88. Page 88 का try these है, which we are going to do in the book only. Okay, that means you are going to do it. Take any postcard. Postcard you can take, or any card if you are not getting the postcard, and use the above technique to measure its two adjacent sides. Please use this technique. And two adjacent sides we have already discussed. है ना? Suppose this is the postcard, or you can say any card. अगर postcard नहीं मिल रहा है तो any card. Okay. This side and this side, who have a common vertex, who share a common vertex, are known as what? Adjacent sides. So you will measure this side or this side. Okay, or this side or this side, because then they are they are sharing this vertex or this side. Any two adjacent sides, any one pair of adjacent sides. That means two adjacent sides. Then question number 2 says, select any three objects having a flat top. Measure all sides of the top using a divider and a ruler. Divider, that is which I was saying rounder, it is actually a divider which has both handles are pointed needles. Okay, so that also you can use. Not a rounder, I am so sorry, I said rounder all the time. It is a divider. When I was saying one side of pencil, it is a rounder is something like this. This is a divider, okay, which has needle on both sides. So it is very easy to place the needle on the line segment, okay, and then without disturbing the distance, you just measure it on your ruler. Where from the 0, where is the second hand of the divider going? Okay, so this completes the try these. Select any three objects having flat top. So any three objects, you can take your pencil box, take your maths book, take your maths copy, or any book or any copy, okay, and take your pencil box. They are flat. So then these you can measure all their sides of the top. Top means, like suppose this is your book, this is your book. So top is this, ये ऊपर वाला. That means the length and the breadth. Okay, the length and the breadth. Measure all sides of the top using a divider and a ruler. So you will use the divider and then you will measure it through the ruler. And if you have any small items, okay, who have flat surfaces, flat tops, you can use them because book or copy thoda bada ho jayega. So this completes the try these. Children, tomorrow we are going to start exercise 5.1. I hope you will complete your work till here.